Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 15th of December, December the 15th, 2018. It's 5 a.m. Reno, Nevada. In the previous video, we were building a website for web designs for Red Sage, web designs for a virtual place, and web solutions for a virtual place. We were in the pane and in the proof of action. This person here had provided three live websites, and we can see it here. He have provided seven. I just say three. I don't know. He had provided 7 websites. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the focus. This is my focus. One, we don't have the idea, okay, and this is the why. I don't have the idea. I have the structure. I can do that. I have the design. I have some ideas about the design and the structure and so on. And for the animation, and I have the programming. Okay, and you have the team. Then we will go for the team. Okay, here is marketing, and here's public relation, PR, value per hour. This person will add a value here per hour. This person here, marketing, per day. This is per day. This is per hour. I will have a value. This person here, maybe per day. I don't know. It's depend on his skill. Like, okay, he can provide every 1 hour. This person here. Okay, now public relation will provide every 1 hour or every, like, maybe 3, 4, 5 days, like talk shows, like the talk show here. Here's a talk show, and here's marketing. Okay, marketing have the option to type, have the option to create a video, have the option to create an audio, and so on, to the point that we have a sales. Okay, this one will fill the need. Okay, sales BO here will fill the need. Will communicate. This BO here will communicate the mission. Okay, at some point, if we are a help, we will fill the need. For example, here's a website. I'm looking for the idea, and this is filling the need. Okay, now what I'm looking for, that here's my why. This is why you need a website. If you are in contact details, like you are looking for new contact details, here's your friend, here's your family, here's bio. Okay, 250 contact details. This is like the individual. Here's an individual. Well, I will see that he have 250 contact details. At that point, if he have no idea how to operate, I'm in trouble. He is in trouble. Like this person here have 250 contact details, and he want to communicate his mission. Okay, now we have a situation here that is solved by IT. This is how we solve it by IT. Share this page. Okay, this 250 contact details. Okay, if it is a value to some people using, for example, Facebook, okay, I will see some grow on that part. I will see some grow. Good. That will be like share. I will say, okay, here's one share. Okay, share. Like here's the IT solution part. The other solution, like to save. Website will save that contact detail for you as a callback. Okay, on a state of mind, what it is about. Here's a share, what it is about. Okay, he did type something. Now I will see something here, what it is about, and I will continue and so on until I reach this place. Okay, this person here have the idea, and it's their idea. We have the how. Here's his idea and why. Okay, at some point here, based plumbing, heating company offering unique. So here's pick the phone. We will help you. Access on people who can help you. Access. They did provided 24/7 access on people who can help you. Okay, this is home. This is housing. This is property management thing. one of property management that you need a plumbing services. Okay, like this is an asset for you. How? Here's the expenses on that, here's the expenses on that, on that, on that, on that. One of it, plumbing services. Okay, 24/7. Anyway, good. So is this recorded? Yeah, let's say that. Anyway, these are IDs by these people. These people IDs. And here's the how. This is the how. This is the how. This is the why. Now, in the tools pane, here's a pane, and here's another tab of pane. Here's another tab of pane. Okay, this is a pane. Reaching more people. I want to reach more people. Here's Facebook opinion on reaching more people. He said, okay, I don't have the idea. I have the structure, design, animation, and programming, and here is that. I will give it to you as a culture. Now you can share this. You can connect people. Here's their mission: connecting people together, family and friends, and so on. He said friends. Okay, he said, okay, let's go for the friends. Now we have an advertising system. We can do pull marketing, we can do push marketing, and so on. Good, good. Now looking to our friend here solution. So let's get back a little bit and see where I'm going with that. Here's the lead by Google. Here's the lead by Google. Just a second, let me see where I am. Here's the lead by Google. I did provided here the idea, and it is communicated through a call. I provided an idea here, and it is communicated through, this is a callback, this is a consultation thing, request a quote, and I did provided 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 proof of action to the point here. Okay, now when I did provided the proof of action, I didn't push myself as okay, here's your idea. Now I didn't reach this level. Here is your idea. No, still to the point here. I'm going to communicate, like I want to listen to your idea. Okay, the only way that I can listen to your idea is something like this. Like here's the pain thing. I want to listen to your ideas. Why is your idea here? Because we are in ideas testing industry. Okay, so I don't want to hammer that by the fact that I can do it. Like we can do it. I don't want to do that. Okay, we can do it, but I want to keep your idea. Your idea. Okay, now where is that? Let me see the forum here. Here's that. Here's this thing here. Okay, good. Now usually we fill this with rubbish data. We have, like, the opinion is this is a rubbish data thing. Like if we are going to have, this is live website, if this demo, like the idea part, we have rubbish data. There is nothing is real. This is a real idea. No, this is rubbish data. You can do that if you are teaching, like you can do the theme as real ideas if you are teaching a business design. Okay, that business design, if you did ally yourself with CPA, marketing, public relation, sales, production team, systems, and so on, and you did say, okay, I want funding for this business design, I want funding for this brand, nobody will say no. It's an opportunity now. Okay, this business design, like, will be, well, I'm targeting this is a $5,000 product to handle the new customers, $1 million per month. That will be a business, right? Okay, here's 200,000 new customers and clients, and this is a $5 product. That will be a business. I just want to raise funding for communication purposes, sales and marketing and public relation. I'm on that level. Okay, now public relations said, okay, here's your website, here's the place. Marketing said, okay, here's the place. Sales said, here's the place. They are on the same, on the same situation. Generating, like public relation and marketing, they are creating a new, providing the sales with the new contact details about people who are expecting a call, about who are people who are expecting some value here, that like this is a point of interest to me, but I don't know if you are a help or not. Okay, I know that you have, I know that you have good customer service, I know that you have refunding policies, okay, and so on. I will have okay, I'm financially and I'm protected already. Okay, the second point, I don't want to waste my time. Good, I don't want to waste my time. Are you the one who is going to do that? Well, here's an idea, and we did help these people. Here's an idea, and we did help these people. Okay, you can see it, but for you, request a code. Request a code. Not the like part. Like, okay, I want the website like this. Following the follower, we didn't do that. Following the follower, we didn't do that. Simply, this is a page, a web page. This is a marketing place. Okay, this is not a business design. Here's somebody saying, okay, this is a business design. There's a difference between business design and a telephone. Well, this is what is the telephone while talking to people? What is the video while talking to people? Okay, what is the text talking to people? We are in talking to people field, testing IDs field. Okay, there's a difference between business design. This is done by an investor. Like some professional bodies will say, okay, we have a business design since we have business analysis. No, these people didn't study the success, they didn't study the failure. So don't go to that. Go to a business design. Coaches who provide business design. I like, okay, richdad.com. I don't know. Here's that. I will go to this website, and they can teach me the business design that I'm looking for. Okay, but not but don't tell me that, okay, here's a website, and website now is a business. No, website is not a business. Why? Website is a system. It's not a business. What is that? What is business? Business is prospecting, presenting, and sell. Prospecting, presenting, and sales. That is business. Okay, now this is solving something. Solving. I'm solving a situation. Okay, now what? Well, marketing. Now what? Well, scale, like a country thing. Solving, marketing, and sell. This is solving a situation. Maybe it's a product, maybe you have a solution as a product, blah blah blah. Okay, but this is not business. This is business. This is not business. We are here in prospecting a little bit, presenting, to be here, to add it here, a video, to add here. If you are a sales, you can do this presenting thing. Okay, a sales video. You can continue your education, continue with your skills, with powerful presentation. Powerful presentation. Now he know what I'm talking about. Powerful presentation video. Like a little bit, this is a training, and this is a training for this way. This is a video, not a meeting, not a call. Okay, now we can do that here. Here's his video. Good, good. Now be aware of the fact that these people here have an idea. Okay, these people here have an idea. Okay, and this might be this level here, this idea might be a solution, a culture, a product. Like Google is a culture, Amazon is a culture. Okay, and also a static website, so 1 and 2, or if he did go for 1. Now let me show you that he said web design, CSS, HTML and PHP development. He said custom CMS, jQuery integration. Okay, this person here know what he's doing. He provided a web design, so we have the virtual place. And now for the dynamic part. Okay, this is the static part, this is the dynamic part. Okay, so this is the static part for generating new leads, name, email and phone. And it's not just static. No, I can't, like, if I did this is callback technology. I did added some callback technology, like some like Stone Age trick. This is a Stone Age trick, not like this callback should be phone system. That is another system. Okay, but this is a Stone Age trick, so I did save your information. Now I don't want to continue here. I'm just looking for the next step. Let's see his website and where I can help him. Okay, here's the home. We did get rid of that. I did went directly to the services. Okay, I'm looking for here's an idea, here's an idea, and here's another idea. Okay, and here's another idea. Okay, these together, like these things here together, website marketing here, okay, and web development here. Okay, now let me draw something, let me get to something. Okay, now we have systems to handle the content. Okay, and we have systems like this is the daily added value from the marketing. Okay, we did call that website and blah blah blah, but we have some solution, like custom solution. Ask me like what? Good. Here's a like webapps.com. okay, good. This is a virtual place that have design and so on and so on. Good. So here these people, what they did is they have the virtual place. Good. Marketing virtual place, they did have that. Inside it they have another idea. Here's an idea. Their idea, they have ideas. Okay, the first idea, for example, here's the services. First idea is accounting, track your income and expenses, invoicing, receipts. I don't know how to say it. Okay, good. But inside that, what is that? Inside that system, inside this, they did have systems. Here's a system, here's a system, and here's a system. These systems were web-based solution. This is a web-based. We call it web-based solution. Okay, this is a web-based solution. This is a virtual place. Okay. Now, virtual place. At some point, this virtual place, okay, if I did study them, I will say, okay, where's your daily? If I did ask this a question, where is your daily added value? Where is your daily added value? Marketer. Okay, if I did ask this person this a question, he will say, did you check YouTube? He will say, for example. Now I'm going for another. Here's Google itself providing me with a help. YouTube. Here's YouTube. Okay, I will tab here. Okay, here's web apps. He did provided 15 videos, and no, just a second, he did provide it, like, you see there's people talking about that, These are marketers. All of these people are marketers. Did you see that? Now the term itself did provide, I don't know how many output I did have here. Result, I don't know. Okay, so YouTube, forums, Google, that was the question. The question was, where is your daily added value marketer? Just one. I did ask a one, and YouTube did give me a lot of videos about that solution. Like one of the, like he did market this, and he did market this idea and this idea. We did have marketers about this idea. Okay, now where's their landing pages? If you said here's the first landing page, here's web designer handling the first thing, here's another product, let's see, accounting, this is the first, this is a landing page, create your free account, here's the header, pane, and here's the call to action. Okay, and this will be customer relation management account, create your free account. He will provide you with this is a culture, not a service, not a product. This is a culture. Create your free account. He did put it here under products. The culture here, okay, is under products. This is a culture. Create your free account. Free, the word free account. This is a culture, not a system. This is a free account. Okay. The third one. Okay, here's another header, paragraph, and pane. Okay, so he did provided 3 IDs, okay, as products. These products are culture, and he did provided a service. Support. What is support that he provide? This is the support for this thing. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. This person can build these systems. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Now, here, when we say okay, marketing and web solutions, okay, we are solving the content management system. Something called, they did have something called content management system. You will see Joomla, you will see WordPress. Okay, marketing daily added value. Okay, is the website, is YouTube, is forums, is a book, is Facebook account, is a Facebook, and so on. Okay, but when we get to the idea that we are going to provide, for example, an accounting system, a web-based accounting system, this person also provided. Okay, there's another thing. If we said okay, just web solution, I want a web solution for accounting, for example, for what he said here, for example this one, or for accounting, for payment gateway. Okay, payment gateway. Okay, these people provide a solution, online solution for invoice. Okay, for I don't know what he said also. Payment gateway, invoice, accounting, payroll, for payroll. They provide that. Okay, that is a web solution. That is the culture. Okay, so in other words, I have an idea. This idea have 3 options. Okay, it did have a culture, product, and a service. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, and there's the industry, of the idea. Testing ideas industry have 2 things. Have that, like a new contacts. Okay, and like the new contacts part, like I just want to have some new contacts. We call this virtual place. Here's the virtual place. This is my why. I just want to have virtual place. Okay, and also have what? Have a new daily added value, like a new every hour added value. Okay, new every hour added value. This mean this solution, this place is being used public relation, marketing, and sales. Okay, they all, like, all of this is to create, to have a new contact. New contact. Okay, all of that. Good. So I'm looking for a new contacts here. Okay, I'm looking for new contacts here. Why would I do that? Because I do operate from something called count Vivo, count money. Okay, talk to Vivo, talk to Vivo. Okay, now good. Wave apps did have this, and did have this, and did have this. For example, he did have their IDs. They have 3 here. They have 1, 2, and 3, and he provided support services. Okay, but no, just a second. He didn't do that. He did call it that. He did have it here as a culture. This is culture. Okay, but he did call it a product. Like, they will call everything a product. Okay, he have a culture here. The system that he did build product. Now our friend here can build systems. Our friend here can build systems. And you have the choice, systems, and you have the choice to become service. This will be a service, a product, or a culture. Good. Good. So we have the dynamic, like we have the static bar to create like static and a little bit dynamic. A little bit I'm not saying a lot, like I'm not saying a little bit dynamic. A little bit dynamic. Okay, and we have the content management system. Here's a content management system. Okay, and here's another content management system. Good. All of this is on Windows. Good. And we have Joomla, we have WordPress, we have so on and so on. Good. And we have, for example, here new every hour added. We have like YouTube, for example. Like YouTube will help you. YouTube help. YouTube CDN help. CDNs help. We have Amazon CDNs help. Amazon CDNs help. We have Google's CDNs help. Google CDN. Okay. Now the different here that we did change the tab of the computer from a like to a CDN. I did have a CDN. Why is a CDN? Content Delivery Network. You see, I do have a new every hour. I do have a new content. We did have something called Content Delivery Network. Okay, this will be a computer. To handle this situation, I did, on a hardware level, I did have a CDN. Okay, YouTube have that, Amazon have that, Google have that, Facebook have that. Facebook have CDN. Have CDNs, not just one. Facebook CDNs. Okay, Content Delivery Network. Okay, so looking to our friend here and what he can do. Our friend here, what he can do. Good. He can create, like, here's a system, like you can have a new contact details. And web development, you can have a new contact details. The difference between this and this will save it. This will call you. Like here, I will handle your sales team expectation. Okay, here your sales team are on stress. What is that? Here's somebody picking the phone and calling you. My sales team is not in control. It's an inbound call. Okay, I will handle this. Like, I will put here a toll-free number. Here I will put a toll-free number because the person here is a customer service agent, have a headset on his head, and he is on the third ring to accept the call. This agent here do understand that this is an inbound call. He was trained, And this one here for sales, he was trained to make outbound calls and some inbound calls also. Okay, but he doesn't have the customer service culture and habit. Okay, search engine optimization, per click, email marketing, and blog development. Here's the value. Like, okay, for the daily added, weekly added value, okay, here's a blog. Okay, but here he did describe, once you have a website, you need to get people to it. So he decided website marketing. Our website marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, will help you drive visitors to your site, increase the number of sales lead your business receive. We can help you establish other method of marketing strategies such as pay-per-click, email marketing campaigns, and graphical thing. Now I didn't add this idea. Now this is what web development. Now just a second. Now the situation is you have an idea. Okay, oh, okay, I need website, but you like, okay, I need Google thing. Okay, I need Amazon thing. Well, you are here. Okay, like you are not here, not here, not here, and you are here. Okay, here's somebody with a business design. Okay, here's somebody with a business design. Now he is building, okay, a culture system. I understand that person, that he doesn't need the new contacts. Okay, this is to grow the business. This is a product. This is communication. This is a product. Okay, this is a culture. This is a product. Good. This might be here. This might be advertising. Here's advertising services. Like here's Facebook doing push marketing here. Okay, and he's doing pull marketing here. Push marketing, pull marketing. Okay, and this is Google. Here's Google allowing you to list your business, but you can do push marketing here. Okay, like this is paid, this is for free. Okay, but how to communicate that? That is the product of IT. Like, okay, now I have a IT team, and now we are going to develop that. I'm going to outsource web solution for virtual place. This is web solutions for a virtual place. Now the third part is web solutions. Okay, this person here do web solutions. There's web designs for a virtual place. There's web solution for a virtual place. Now we're still on the marketing. The third one is virtual place. This will be a third one here, and I will have his text story. This is what he can do. Now me, here's another one. Yeah, this one here. Do you know what? No, remove this. Remove it. Yeah, I will have something called I don't know. I'm looking for this now, but just a second. I don't know. These are 3 IDs. I'm going for the third ID. I will do it. I don't care, because here on the proof of action he did that some custom themes. He did some custom CMS. You see this? He have a custom CMS. I don't know what he mean by that, if he did build a custom management content management system or not, but here's that. Okay, but this is web solutions. And here's that. I'm looking for web solutions for product. Web solution. We call it web solutions. Okay, like here the product culture idea, here's that. One page brochure style, web marketing, these two IDs here. I did put these two IDs together. And web development solution. I have to type it now. Let me see the home here. Come on, give me something. No growth. This is the virtuality. Specialized to me, Reno, the goal to grow high quality website that makes. Okay. Looking website for highest quality. But he provide that. I did see that. Content management, search engine, custom web development, this part. How is that? What's the difference? Like, no, I'll speak about that. Okay, rage thing here. Development companies. Now this is somebody who know what I'm talking about, and this usually the lead. Okay, do they? We have a project, and we want somebody to work with us on it. Okay, that the part here. Otherwise, they usually work on their IDs. See, this part here. If you said, okay, wave apps. Okay, here's wave apps. Okay, now wave apps have system. What do you see? They have an IT product here, and for example, invoicing, get paid for what you do. Okay, this part here, get paid for what you do. Good. If they said, okay, here's our system, and we need to build this thing, this idea. Like, okay, I need team. I have indoor team, indoor IT team. Okay, and maybe I'll say, okay, I will outsource a vendor here. I will outsource a company. But let me think it clearly. Service, product, and culture. And here, when we have some ideas as a product. Okay. Now here we are offering the solution. Like here, somebody saying $500, $1,000. Well, I would say $25,000. Okay. Now here, when I reach the culture or a product or a service, I will say $1 million. I will say 5 million, 10 million, 30 million, 50 million. He will say 1 billion. Okay. Why? The daily added value here is different than here. Like here, you can say, okay, this is a business of $1 million business. This here is a $1 million business per month, and this is a lot. Okay. Now this is the idea as a culture, as a product, as a service, and here's the idea as a virtual place. Now a little bit here. To this point is virtual place. To this point, this is IT product. Web solutions for IT. Web solutions and IT. Web solutions for systems. Okay. For systems for IT. Web solution for a virtual place, for production. Web solutions, IT products, IT. Oh, this is the web-based solutions. This is the name, web-based solutions. That's what we call it web-based solution. Okay, so can provide all our services on outsource basis for other busy web design and development companies. Good. And I have my own ideas. Okay, if I'm going to sell you that idea a little bit, if you need somebody here, or web design development companies, why did it have here? Okay, and development companies, or if you have an idea for or if you have an idea as a product, and as a product an idea, or if you have an idea as a product, as IT product, oh boy, let me think about it. How Microsoft will describe it. Okay, www.microsoft, no, forget about Microsoft. Somebody who did sell that web-based solutions, can provide all our services on outsource basis for other busy web design development companies. Okay, now let's have this to the left. Okay, businesses, companies. So these people are here they know what is a product, they know what is a virtual place, they know what is that. But here from reaching more people, here reaching more people. Why is it different? I will share this contact anyway. And here I decided to go with a mission. Okay. There. If you have a mission or an idea or an improvement or an idea for a product, for IT, for web-based product, for a web-based product, if you have a mission or an idea for a web-based product, as an account, as a culture product, or a culture. So I'm talking to somebody here, or a culture, how to type it? C-U-L-T-E-R. No, I don't know. Or how to type culture, man? A product for a web-based product. Have a mission or an idea for a web-based product. Now I will talk to people okay, if you have a mission or an idea for a web-based product, let's say it can provide all our services on an outsource basis for other busy web design development companies or individuals. Or individuals. Okay, I can outsource that for you. Individuals. Okay, here's somebody who want a website, here's somebody who want a website, here's somebody who want a web-based solution. Okay, what is the different here? Well, the different here, this is production. I'm working on your idea. This is production. You did outsource production, and here you did outsource a service. It's a service. Here you did outsource a production line. Okay. Now, for these two IDs to be, for example, available, here's a system. They did in Party 3. Here's in Party 3 here. They did create, for example, Visual Studio. They have Visual Studio to cover the point 3, to cover all PHP to cover point 3. Okay. To do these two IDs here, I need this thing. No, a little bit here. I need this notepad, and I will deliver this thing. Okay. Here I need notepad, like PHP will help me here. But here web-based solution, okay, we like our knowledge or individuals with knowledge into or individual with knowledge into an application, a web application. Okay. Knowledge like with an application. Okay, like that will be a knowledge. When somebody will say, okay, let's do invoicing. Well, this is like, which is standard. Let's do accounting, which is standard. Let's do payment gateways. Okay, like no. Come on, like. Give me a break. No. Why I'm not into production? Like, okay, I will outsource your team. I will outsource. I understand now. That will be positive cash flow. Positive cash flow. Positive. Okay. Okay, now this will be a little bit here. Email, phone. Okay. Call back. This is request a code. Just a second. Can I have message here? Okay. Request a code. Okay. Now we are like I did kept you on the same line, yeah, until I did have this. To this point here, I would say send. Now he have the culture of send. Okay, and this one here. Why this here to the left? I didn't handle his expectation here. Okay. Can I add another one? Can I get back to request a code? Oh boy, why did I did that? Why? Why? Come on. Why? Request a code. Now let me see what did happen. Okay, I did handle that. Good. Now here's somebody who have, like, I'm somebody who sell cars. Okay, I want to sell a car. Okay, I want to sell a car. Okay, you have two options. Okay, I'm somebody who want to sell. I'm somebody who want to sell. I do sell car, but I need a web application for this car. Web application for a car. Web application for a car. Why is that? GPS system, like GPS system. Okay, is that clear? Like, here's a GPS system and I want that on a web application, and also there's the hardware application and mobile application and so on. Okay, but this is around GPS system, for example. Good. I'm somebody who have a manufacturer. Okay, I'm somebody who's in manufacturing. Okay, I have two options here. You have the static website and the dynamic website, and you can create web application. Also, you can create mobile application, also Windows application. This part here, to be positive for me, you will outsource my team. My team is focused on virtuality thing, because we have here an idea, okay, and this is a solution idea, programming idea. Okay, and programming, here's a developer. This developer have an idea about something. So in other words, you will see a programmer. For example, I'm a programmer. Okay, I don't care about the marketing virtual place. See this marketing virtual place? I don't care about that. You will see Microsoft, same story. Here's Microsoft level. Okay, come on, Microsoft, open. Here's a new project. If I started a new project, open. Here's web application 1. Here's the solution, open. Okay, solution, web application 2.solution, a little bit. Okay, let's open that. This is the community version. Come on, Microsoft, don't be that. Okay, let's run this. This is a server. Why is that? License 30-day trial for evolution. Oh, you have your evolution period has ended. Please sign in to unlock the product. Come on. Oh boy, he said that this product is unloading the selected project. Okay, anyway, you will see an account here. Like he will tell you like login. He will say, okay, username, password, and login. Username, I will have a username, password, and I will have two buttons here. That was why he didn't load. And I will have here login or sign up. Okay, and this here I will have text. I have text here, and I will have text here. Okay, and this will be a web solution. Like this will be like the access to the GPS system. Okay, good. So the idea here is we can build an application. For example, here we can build an exe file, this application here. Okay, or we can build a web application like let's have an example here. Okay, let me give you another example. www.google for example, something that built online. Draw line. See this draw line here? This is a web application for drawing. This is a web application for drawing. This is not a website. Like it's a website, right? But this is a web application for drawing. Let me see something else. www.ask.com. Don't go to that bullshit. Ask.com. Let's see. In my mind, somebody with an application, web application. Web application. Autoresponder. Here's an autoresponder. Autoresponder. Responder. Okay. Infinite autoresponder. Here's somebody who did build a website, but he did also build infinite autoresponder. Something like that. Come on, let's show it. This one. Okay. Here's somebody who did provided an email system. Have you ever wanted a completely customizable free hosted autoresponder script like I'm sending emails here? Okay, I can download this. This is a system. Okay, and here's the virtual place. Okay, here's the virtual place, and he have here email and name, and go. Okay, here's the system. A web server, Apache OS, PHP. Okay, he's providing a system. Here's an infinite responder. Like this, the autoresponder and email marketing and so on. Yeah, they provide it now with host companies. Okay, good. Like and access to the clone. There's something here. You should have access now. Let's see the download, discuss forum, video tour, manual. Is the manual and the top requirement installation here. He will say, okay, at some point, you see this? No, not this. Install process. The server should allow you. Okay, this is handled like this work is handled to programmer and a developer, and they will send mail here. Okay, you shall create just type where's PHP blah 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 blah. Login screen configuration. I'm looking for something. He did provided a manual for the system. New past. No, I'm just the colon. There's the one like the file in Linux that will keep sending. There's something here. Yeah, he's talking now about this subject. Okay, the most. There are 5 time enterprise cron is that cron tab. 3 o'clock if you only run it and blah 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 and blah blah blah, and he's teaching that file here, and he's teaching that file. There's some file in the cron tab thing. Okay, here's a file will be executed every second. Now let me give you something. I can click this. Okay, now the computer have every 1 second here, this will be changed, right? Now how to click this every 1 second, and imagine this is a sent thing. Okay, that's what he's talking about. He's talking about we are going to send emails list by list, and we are going to click send every time. There is some file here can help us on the operating system, and he is talking about that. Yeah, cron tab is a program that runs the background of most Unix server. All it does, it wait for timing instruction and runs things according to the schedule. You can change your schedule contracts by running this thing. Like if you have the server here, okay, from blah 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 blah. If you might like our installation for only $30. Okay, here's somebody who did that. Here's somebody here who said, okay, I will provide you with not product, not a culture service. I did provided you with like product. If we did say Microsoft, you did see what Microsoft did. Okay, I will provide you with a system. Okay, you can download it, but my service here installation $30, $30 US dollar for installation that autoresponder. Okay, but here's the system for free. Here's the system for free. For example, autoresponder. Good. Configuration, like the configuration here or the support is like he did build and he did have an idea of an autoresponder. Okay, like years ago, he did created a virtual place, he did created a manual, he did everything you can imagine, and now when it comes to the system, you can donate and you can download here. You can download it and have it. Okay, that will be a culture. Good. From that culture, he said, okay, $30 to configure it for you. Okay, so this one of the ideas that okay, I want to create Gmail, like I want to create something like gmail.com or yahoo.com. Okay, from this point you can continue. So, and they did provide it for free, and he did provided the system here for free. Good. So that is a developer who did have this idea, and now he's going for that. But if you did notice, his website is shitty. Good. His website is shitty. Why? Because he's a developer and not a designer. Okay, he did created this this blah blah. No, this is developer. This is a developer. He did have an idea for development, for production. He did have an idea for development, production. Good. When he did reach the level that I'm going to create a virtual place, okay, he did created these things here. You see his menu here, right? Good. This one is in a pure production. He did created a system, and he did provided the system, and on the provided system he created a service. That service was $30 on configuration bar, and where he did offer that here. If you did get the line, he did offer that here. Okay, now if I'm going to help him here as somebody, download configuration. Good. So he have a call to action donate, he have a call to action download, he have a call to action use our services, for example, call us to help you. There's a $30 here. Good. And here's the download part. So let's get back a little bit to our friend here. This person can develop, and he create websites. Okay, let me have this here, forum color, and I hope that we can have a background color. Thank you very much. Web-based solution, developing web-based solution developer, solution developments. Okay, that is the term. web-based solutions developments. If you have a mission or an idea for a web-based product, service or a culture, product, service or a culture, service or a culture, I will type like command, culture, I will believe that is a or a culture. Okay, product, service or a culture. Redsys can provide all our services on outsource basis for other busy web design development companies or even individual with knowledge into a web with knowledge want to change it with knowledge and want to and want it want no, with knowledge to develop into a web application with knowledge to develop into a web application. Okay, this is the if statement. Okay, usually knowledge, like here's somebody in accounting, here's a CPA, he have knowledge. Here's an engineer, he have knowledge. Here is a game designer, he have knowledge. We call that for example games engine. Did it build that games engine? Here's a web designer, he have knowledge. That will be Visual Studio, for example. That will be Mobilize, for example. That will be a drag and drop website builder, and so on. Okay, so where's the money for me is like, if I'm somebody who's going to make the decision for these people. Okay, just a second. I did have let me see something here. This is just talking, nothing, just talking. Okay, I'll say here's the business design of this business. Okay, here's our mission, here's our leadership, and here's our team. Good, and here's our product. We have this product, and this product. Okay, here I can outsource. You can outsource. Good. You can outsource the service. Good. And here I do production. Okay, and here outsource. This is the outsource part. Okay, well, I'm going for the outsource. In other words, I will offer my, like, I'm looking now for contacts, like do you have like, are you late on this project, that's it. Like, they are late on delivering this, I will outsource my team now. Did you get the idea here? The outsource part. So this is a production. Okay, this is production, and this will be outsource part. Here's my team. The paycheck here is being paid by this view. Like, he's paid the basics. Okay. I will outsource these services. Good. Paid the basics. Now here, this person have a contract. This one have a contract. Okay, or this person have an idea. He did outsource the production team because this person know where he is going. Good. This one have an idea for a web application, for mobile application, and so on. Okay, these people can build it. That will be under outsourcing. Okay, not under, okay, I have an idea, let's build it for you. No, no, you did get it wrong here. I did say no for production. I say no for production. Okay, now I will outsource your services. So that's a little bit. If you said here's the source code, okay, and here's the system. Here is the system, okay, and here's the team. Here is the team. What do you think? What do you think? Here's the company. I did provided you. This will be under outsource. Outsource. Good. Good. So why would I type that like solution development bar here, web application development? Well, because we provide solution for virtual places, and now as an idea product application, we have idea here. We are going to deliver that. How am I going, like under what? Well, this is outsource. What do you mean? I don't care. You will pay the paychecks, you will pay this amount of money, and you will pay this amount of money. I don't care what is the output here. I don't care. Okay, but my calculation here, I will ask the CPA, and I will ask the CPA, and now we will have a price. Now we will have a price. Good. Usually this will be like a little, like if you did hire them, you will not like, usually like the outsource part will be like timing part, like okay, I will give him 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours. Okay, web-based solutions developments. If you have a mission or an idea for a web-based product, service or a culture, service or a culture, I believe that culture, true, culture, now culture, service or a culture, service or a culture. Let's ask the England man. Come on, English. Google. Spelling. Service or a culture. This is culture, right? Okay. With the knowledge to develop into a web application. Okay, now I believe this line here is request a code, and after this I will have a share. Okay, now this person is still in web design for a virtual place, web design for web solution for a virtual place, and web-based solution developments. Now let me type that on a plan. Like okay, like when we say okay, we can do that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, good. Now to this point, this is a product or virtual place. To this point here, animation a little bit. Virtual place. Virtual place. Here and here I'm helping the sales. Here and here I'm helping the sales. Okay, here I have a product, IT product. This is IT product. Okay, IT product. This IT product can be here. You can see, okay, you can say download. Okay, but this is a virtual place. This is a system. You have to log in here. You have to, I don't know. Good, good. Here I will continue. I did have a product. I did have a product. I will continue marketing this product. PR marketing this product. PR marketing and sales. I might have no sales. I have customer service. Okay, for an account. But same as to PR marketing. This is doing pull. These people are doing here pull marketing. These people here are doing pull marketing. Here they are doing push marketing. PR marketing. Okay, how am I going to do a push marketing? Well, here's a newspaper. Here's its advertising. Here's an article. Okay, and right here. Here is your invested. Here's your client. Here's your client. Okay, here's your client. We did invested on him. We did invested on like who? Like Google or her? Like Google. Okay, here's your client account. Google. Okay, now here's an advertising system. Google, YouTube, blah blah blah. Okay, they did provided a culture. They provided a culture. Who's powerful, culture or product? Like if you said, if Google said now, listen people, if you are going to use my services, pay $1. I would say, listen Google, if you are going to appear on my browser, you will pay from now on. Okay. Good web-based solution development and so on, but I did offer this last thing. Good, like because we will have no idea. There's a product, there's a virtual place, there's a solution for a virtual place as a web page, like as internet, and there's a product. I don't know where you are lost. Some of them they are lost in the culture. They are here. They are here. For example, people are comparing Alibaba.com, okay, and Amazon. Amazon is a culture, and Alibaba.com is a system. This is Alibaba.com. It's a system. This is a culture. True, they started to have some of true. He started to, I don't know, but this is ships. Okay, I want to ship this 100 containers. Now, do you have any opinions? Amazon.com? No, they will say like, have a good day. Like, I want to ship 100 ships. Yeah, well, have a good day. That is Alibaba.com. Distribution channel here, a huge distribution channel. Now, is this one can grow to? Yeah, he can. Capitalism. Okay. Good. But now let's get back a little bit. So these are our IDs inside virtual place, and this is virtual place. Okay. I can have IDs about this. Like me, I can have an idea here, or somebody here with the knowledge want to develop it in a web application. I can listen to these IDs. Okay, but that is an outsource. That is an outsource. Or he's going to do like Henry Ford. And Henry Ford, he did employee the engineers, and they started to work on his IDs. iPhone, he did employee the engineers, and they started to work on his IDs. An employment system were created 80 years ago to do this application part, like a physical application, car, movement application, truck, and so on. Okay. Okay, web design for a virtual place. So here's the three IDs here. Now left with, I'm left with something for him. I'm really sorry for the noise. I'm left with something. I'm left with something. Here's something that he's going. There's a plan here. Oh, I did close his website. Good. Now when it comes to the marketers, okay, here's search engine optimization. Okay, now this is the like and per click management and custom web development, content management system, and e-commerce web design. He have also e-commerce. E-commerce, where's that? He did send me to the services. Okay, let me see that. Let me see this. Web design services, 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 and services. Okay, services. Web design. Forget about that. Web development has developed everything from one voice, blah 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 blah, to complex blah blah blah. If you need blah blah blah. Once you have a website, you need to get people for it. Okay, now I didn't have this line at some point here. Okay, can I have something here? Yeah. Okay, I need something here. This is his own idea. Get people to it. Okay, this is his opinion. I don't care. This is how he do things. Okay, now this will be top. This will be thing. Okay, this is web solutions for a virtual place. And if you have solutions to learn how to write an article, image, how to create a promotional video and share with video, how to create a workshop, webinar and share with video, how to create a book and share with video. When you get a call back request or meeting, provide the service as an expert. Once you have a website, you need to get people to it. So this is the bottom line here. I'm trying to the code live websites. Okay, now this is live websites. And here's go back. Okay. Web-based solution, and that will be web development. Now web-based solutions, development. Web-based solutions, developments, developments. Okay, that's why we are request code. So here I will have an idea for something. Okay, here I will have an idea about virtual place. Okay, and here I will have a meeting with you. That's it. There's no there's like a text, a paragraph, like you are going for generating new leads. That's it. And this is testing IDs. This is testing IDs, and there's a little bit of training here, and here's testing IDs and so on. Okay. Okay. Still, we have another system here, additional services. No, this is the outsource. Content writing and more. Oh, he have additional services. This will be number 4, right? I will do it. I don't care. Okay. I don't know what is the one that he's looking for, but here's this. Okay. No icons. Content writing. You do content writing. So logo, print design, web hosting, content writing. This will be up there. So these additional services will be here. Will be here under this. Like that. Okay, but what about the logo? What about your idea? Brand design. Just a second. There's no call to action here. You can call. You can call us. more surprises. Just a second, I don't know what to put it. For the call to action. Can I forget about the button? Okay, now yeah, I know why I did dive here. Why these two things here? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you have additional services and so on. No arrows. Yeah, arrow. That's it. This is its services. Okay, now let me yeah, outsource website market. These are together. Okay, and the web development alone as outsource. Okay, now a little bit this is clear. Like here's here's this website just generating new leads, and here's website you can have like this website is a writer part. Like this is like really workshops, webinars, so on and so on. This is not okay. Well, I just want my team here to have a lead. Can I do that? Well, you can do that. Here's the lead. Okay, but this will not work like as you're looking for. No, I just want that. Okay, I'm not going to hire people here. I'm not going for. It's up to you. It's not my problem here. Okay, I already have that thing. I don't know. Well, I'm just going to share this landing page. This is landing page. Well, yeah, I'm thinking this will be like this in a meeting can be clear. Okay, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. It's been a nice 130 minutes, 19 minutes. Okay, yeah, I like it a little bit more. And this is sales agent. If he did have just the website alone here, he can go with web design, website solution 4, and here's and that level here we have an IT product. Like you are an IT product, okay, or mobile application product, and so on. Okay, to the point I didn't get this uh, feeling of I don't know what you are talking about. No, here's you have like you have a pizza idea. We need a website, and you need a kitchen to do that. Good, right, right. Okay. Well, I do have. I don't want the kitchen part. Can I have? I do have IT things, something to be digitized. Can I do that? Yes, you can do that, and I can help you with an outsource team here. This is a team thing. This is a production thing. There's source code. There's a talking here. Okay. 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 Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.